So, as you may be aware, I've been in court today. I'm facing a libel case. The judge has agreed fees. She's knocked them down £100,000. So currently, their legal fees will add up to £346,000. My legal fees will be £200,000, and then the libel case is over £100,000. Okay? £650,000. So if I lose this case, I'll be charged £650,000, which will give them the ability to seize my home, which shows exactly what this is about. So there's more than one way to skin a cat, and they've found the next way. And the next way now is going to be throwing me through the legal system, charging me hundreds of thousands of pounds. People have supported me throughout. I was told and advised to offer £50,000 to Jamal and to make an apology, to apologise for telling the truth. Well, so I refused to do that based on principle. What I said was the truth. Why should we hide the truth? If you want to support my battle, the reason why it's going to become a battle is there are vulnerable children involved in this case. My witnesses who are willing to come to court are vulnerable children. They're willing to tell the truth. A young girl who was assaulted by Jamal is willing to come to court and explain that she was assaulted by Jamal. The problem we have, if you remember when Jamal's lawyer, Mohammed Akunji is the lawyer who's been trying to get Shamina Begum and representing ISIS terrorists and bring them back into our country. Shamina Begum's lawyer sent an extremist to my children's home. He live streamed it. So watch this part of the video where you will see him handing over my children's address to an extremist who then went to my children's home and let everyone know where they live, put their lives in danger. Watch this video.
I was then contacted and asked if I would be interested in doing this. I'm still not 100% sure why, and I don't really fully believe this is happening. But that's basically, I've never done anything like this before. This is not, it's a career I can certainly get into.
So just for clarity on what you're doing, so you're going to be live streaming things like that?
It will be live streamed. I'm not in charge of the filming or anything like that. That's down to the guys over here. I'm literally just here to go up to Tommy's address, to ring on the bell. If anyone answers or replies, inform them of this, and if they come and get it, they get it. If they don't, I leave it there for them, and then we walk away. And this is sitting for him when he gets back from wherever he is at the moment.
Now here you can see that man threatening to murder my children.
He loves it. He loves it. And on that note, see, on that happy note. Oh, by the way, Tommy, I am gonna mince your kids, mate.
Now I have a situation here where I have young children, vulnerable children, who are willing to give evidence in a court case. I need to protect them, so I need to make sure the court makes sure their addresses and their names are kept secret. Because I've seen the consequence that happens when people turn up at your house. Bailey, the child in this case, had to leave his hometown. His young 11-year-old sisters began self-harming. Bailey tried to kill himself. I've seen the consequences. I'm not going to put these children in danger. I will refuse to give the addresses of those children to the same lawyer, because he's proved he is incapable of holding data. He's proved he will put children and families at risk. If you want to support this fight, because it's going to become a fight, I'm not going to give in on it. I'm not going to roll over on it. Not when it's the truth, and I know I can prove in court it's the truth, but then I still lay myself at the hands of a judge. To get to that position is going to cost £200,000. If you want to support me, please go to www.supportingthetruth.com. I appreciate every second of it. I don't want to roll over. I don't want to apologise for telling the truth. I principle myself on telling the truth, on being the other side of the story. So please support me if you can. This is their next way of trying to just smash the legs off me. So please.